Probably trying to keep.
Hey, look at the building, you know?
We're probably trying to keep it in budget. Of course. No copper, no brass. We're going with steel.
Do you know what you're looking at? No. This is the original torch. Oh. It's the oldest piece of the statue. Wow. The artist Bartoli, who created the statue, used this as his fundraising device. Really? Yeah, he put it on display first in Paris, then Philadelphia, and then here in New York City. And that's how he raised the 800,000 francs that was necessary to complete the work. The whole thing was privately funded, the entire, from start to finish.
Unbelievable.
Now he knew.
800,000 francs. What's that in there?
I have no idea. Okay. But we like to think of it as priceless. Yeah, the unfortunate thing is, I'm sure you guys know by now, it leaked and corrosion took place. It got to the point where in 1984 they had to do a restoration project here. And during that time, they did a tremendous amount of work on the interior. 250 light bulbs that shine on. So we did a tremendous job. Escape the future.
Then you have an emergency out there.
I believe it, Frank. Go ahead. Going up and down these things? Yeah. Now, what are the speakers in case they have to say something or whatever?
I guess, yeah. There is, I'm sure that. That's a nice tight joint.
Now, this is where not Katie Couric, where Matt Lauer
Yeah,
and
they were.
What are we looking at?
Pardon me?
the Crown.
When we were supposed to tell,
This is the Crown.
Okay.
we weren't supposed to tell anybody about the job, and on today's
Yeah, I
show,
saw.
Matt Lauer was-
Yeah, they're on the thing. It's going to be open.
Yeah.
And they're, what? Russ goes, don't tell anyone. I'm well, honey.
Who are we going to tell?
Yeah.
Kevin said the same thing to me. Don't tell. When I saw that plane going over the statue, I said, oh.
Sure, I was like, it's on the news.
Yeah, ABC. There's Matt Lauer hanging out there and the whole crew. Oh, it's amazing.
Just got my breath back.
He'll be obviously going down. The rails before used to be horizontal.
Oh, did they? So you could fit through if you...
Well, you could fit through, but you could also kids could climb it.
Yeah,
Yeah.
right, like a ladder.
Yeah. It used to be the code wouldn't allow you to have a ladder, but they do, but we recommended they use.
Yeah, that's a better
stickers.
idea.
And they did.
That's-
Charlie?
Made it.
I wasn't sure if you were coming up or not.
I was talking to the fellas.
Oh,
Now, did you guys take before and after pictures? Yeah.
just not quite after.
Everybody like the climb?
Yeah.
Yeah, can't imagine getting the gear and stuff up here on the material.
Yeah, all the material. And these got pretty heavy with the pickets on them.
Oh, really?
And just getting it up and through and around.
Sometimes so we would have, tomorrow night's Tuesday, so we would have 3 shifts.
You must be in a hotel locally. You're going home every
I'm
day?
going home, then I'm going to office, then I'm going to your office, then I'm coming here. No.
This is the
Yeah,
Energizer.
wear them out.
The Energizer, the Energizer coming.
Said those 12 pants climb out the stairs.
Okay.
I should come back and run the other two.
What's that?
Get the picture of me.
Certainly. You're gonna take that off.